Hey guys, so have you ever been on Pinterest and been like, that's so cute, but I will never do that? Yeah, same. That's me. Okay, so my channel's name is Cassidy DIYs, and I have not done a DIY in years. So today I'm going to be testing out some popular Pinterest DIYs. Can I do it? Can I not? We will see. Alright, so the first DIY is the very popular bullet journal. And I will admit, at the start of the year I kinda made myself a bullet journal, but it lasted for about 3 weeks. So this is my original bullet journal, and I had like 3 pages. I had like my goals for the year, I had a mood tracker. As you can see, it did not last very long. Okay, so this is like the whole of January, so I mean I lasted a little bit longer than I thought. And then yeah, I have books, and that's it. So I really wanted to make more pages in my bullet journal, and I just found some pretty bullet journal pages from Pinterest and I tried to recreate them. As you can see, I was not very happy with my mood tracker. I just did not like it. It's nothing like the picture. I don't think that I would ever use this mood tracker. It's just very impractical and ugly. But I did really like the July drawing, and it was kind of fun. So bullet journal, kinda successful. So the next DIY I was very excited about, because I take a lot of Polaroid pictures, and this DIY just looked so cute, and actually something that I would, you know, like hang up on my walls. There are so many versions of these. So yeah, I was really excited to do this one, and I feel like I did a pretty good job. So good job. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. I was way too impatient to wait for like glue to dry, so I decided to try out tape. It did not work. As soon as I put the picture frame up, everything would just like kinda sink down. So I, being the smart person that I am, I decided to try like tying knots at the ends of the string, and it totally worked. So yeah, if you don't have glue, just use tape. That's my method. I'm sorry. Okay, back to the DIY. Done the third DIY because I have no clue what I am going to do. So I have found some lip scrubs and face masks, and they seem to be quite popular on Pinterest, like these. This one looks kinda easy, pretty simple. I think I have all of the ingredients for this one, so let's go try it out. Alright. Okay, so I have all of the ingredients, but the only thing that I'm not sure about is the lip balm. I have this one, but I feel like this one is like the same as the Vaseline. Why would I have to use Vaseline and this lip balm? Like, isn't that the same thing? I took this like pink gloss from my mom. Mom, I am sorry. Okay, it doesn't say how much I should use. This is not a language that I understand. Okay, I'm just gonna guess. Olive oil, salt. Yep, there we go. We have the sugar. Okay. I have no idea how much I should put in here. Like, yeah, it kind of looks like a lip scrub. So then we have the Vaseline. I'm gonna guess that we do not have to use a lot, maybe this much. Let's put some pink in this. Wow, that's such a cute color. Can you guys see? That's so cute. I would totally eat this. Oh, hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. I am going to take my lipstick off because, you know, we want the full experience of, you know, exfoliating the lips. And yeah, I have my sink here with me if I need to spit it out. There we go. Okay, I like legit have butterflies. This is so disgusting. Okay, so I have it on my finger and I have really dry lips, so maybe we will do like a before and after. Like, here are my lips before, very dry, very nasty. So who knows, maybe this will work. Oh, it's working, but it's so salty. I put way too much salt in there. Oh, that's disgusting. So these These are my lips after. They look the same! I went through all of that pain for nothing. They do feel very soft, but they're like hella pink and yeah, they're still crusty, so. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It has been so long since I did DIYs, like actual DIYs. And yeah, this was super fun, and I would love to do like a part 2 because there are so many cute Pinterest DIYs that I want to do. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and like subscribe and thumbs up and everything if you want to. And yeah, I will see you guys later.